Welcome back. Let's talk business. The onset of the coronavirus drove more people to take up mobile subscriptions as access to information became a key consideration. In its 2019-2020 fourth quarter report, the Communication Authority of Kenya says subscriptions soared to 57 million, up from 55.2 million, as more people embrace the use of information, communication and technology. Brenda Kirubo with the details.
Mobile SIM penetration in the country is officially at 119.9% thanks to the coronavirus pandemic. Stay-at-home orders to curb the spread of the disease, so the government encouraged the use of ICTs through e-government services, e-health programs and e-education.
The pandemic has really highlighted the value and the essential nature of technologies, ICTs in this country. At the time when the pandemic was declared in this country in March, a lot of changes happened to the way we live. Children moved away from school, we moved away from the offices to work in homes, businesses that could transact online moved onto that platform.
During the quarter under review, there were 1.8 million net additions in mobile SIM subscriptions. The significant growth is attributed to consumers taking advantage of various products such as SMS and data promotion tariffs. The directive by the government on the use of cashless payment systems to contain COVID-19 pandemic and the attendant waiver of transaction costs for amounts equal to or less than 1,000 shillings played a key role.
Even as we move and hope that the pandemic will soon be over, the predictions indicate that things might never be the same again, and we might be moving to a new normal. And the place of ICTs has really demonstrated in terms of value, and this has also raised for us the bar in terms of the urgency to deliver for those who do not have.
Safaricom lost 0.3 percentage points in market share to post 64.2% share in mobile subscriptions. Airtel Networks and Telecom Kenya, on the other hand, gained by an equal margin of 0.2 percentage points to record 26.8% and 6% shares respectively. Equitel registered the least market share of 3% after losing 0.1 percentage point. During the quarter under review, the total local mobile voice traffic originating from mobile networks stood at 15.2 billion minutes, which was a decline of 0.9% from 15.3 billion minutes recorded in the previous quarter. This is attributed to reduced business activity during the lockdown and curfew period occasioned by COVID-19 pandemic, which affected normal calling patterns.
Coronavirus has affected quite a number of industries in the country, but it seems that information, communication and technology is providing the much needed solutions when it comes to the effects of the pandemic. Brenda Kirubo, KTN News.
The Postal Corporation of Kenya has reassured